Hello from gardening at Dwensa here in Ireland. Now, I hadn't planned on making this video because not ready for it, but I was out watering the orchids in the greenhouse and it's just so easy. I just have to share it with you. So this is my greenhouse, and as you'll have seen from a previous video, this is where the Cattleya orchids live for the summer, and only half of them are there, as you can also see, because I've taken them outside. So this is what's happening: taking the orchids from the humidity trays and the fan and bringing them outside to the garden, where I have a bit of shade set up with this umbrella. And the orchids are here on the grass, and this is where they get watered. Now, last week I actually fed them, which is a whole big rigmarole and much more complicated, with not wasting feed and also not sharing water. But just simply watering them is so easy. You just have to see this. Okay, so I have a hose here which which has an attachment at the top, and I'll switch it on in a minute. Just want to leave it till the last minute because it makes a lot of noise when I do. And I take one of my orchids and just water like this, letting the water drain onto the grass, which absorbs it, and not being too concerned about getting a little bit on the leaf, because this is early in the morning and it will be dry before very long. And how easy is that? Absolutely amazingly easy. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you, just because it takes me pretty much, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours normally to water the orchids, and when they're out in the greenhouse and I do this, it's just so easy. I can't believe it. It's wonderful. It's like, well, summer coming early, but hey, wait, it is summer. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye. And the reason, of course, I don't water the orchids directly in the trays is that these trays would soon fill up and spill over and make a terrible mess. It would be like a flood in here. Now I'm just taking the last of the orchids out. These ones have been put back, they're watered. And what do I spy but my purpurata is producing buds. Buds. And more buds. And that's especially for the woman who asked me recently how mine was doing. So that's how it's doing, and you can expect a flowering video soon.